next is to develop how to solve word problems including consecutive odd numbers. Don't forget, the keyword here is what? Odd numbers. Of course, we have a question on the board. The sum of 3 consecutive odd numbers is 69. So we have to find the numbers. But before we start solving this question, as usual, let us develop a formula to do this. So let us assume that my first odd number is 9. Of course, if my first odd number is 9, the next consecutive odd number will be what? 11. And the next will be what? Yes, 13. Then followed by what? 15, and so on and so forth. Now, of course, this first number here, because it is an odd number, I'm going to make it to be what? X plus 1. Don't forget, this consecutive odd number will be what? X plus 1, because it is an odd number we are dealing with. So I'm going to start with odd number 1. Of course, you can start with odd number 3, odd number 5, and any odd number that you can think of. So now, it means that the value of x is not actually 9, it is what? 8. So it was 8 plus 1 that gave me what? 9. Did you understand? Now, to get my second odd number, I'm still going to use this x that was previously even number that we don't know. Okay, so to get this, I'm going to add what to this? 3. If I add 3 to this x, which I don't know before, I'll add 3 to it. So 8 plus 3 will give me what? 11. Don't forget, 9 is not x. 9 is a number that we don't know, but it's even number. That is the technique. Of course, if I want to get 13 will become 8 plus what? 5. Do you understand? That is 8 plus 5 will give me what? 13. So that is 8 plus 5. So without doing that, this one will be what? 8 plus 7. The next one will be 8 plus 9, 8 plus 11, and so on and so forth. Alright. So having done that, then we'll come back to this question. So we are going to let the first odd number, let the first odd number, let it be what? Let it be x plus 1, as we have what? Derived. So the second odd number will now be what? X plus 3. So you just make sure that the last number here are odd number. That is the technique. And the third odd number will be what now? X plus 5. So I haven't done this. The next thing we are going to do is that we're going to add all these numbers together. So let's add them together. So you have x plus 1 plus x plus 3 plus x plus 5. And everything is going to give us what? 69. So let us solve. How many x are here? 1, 2, 3. You have 3x. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, that's what? 9 equals to what? 69. So 3x is equals to 69 minus 9. So 3x is equals to what? 60. I'll divide both sides by 3. 3 cancel 3. S is equals to 20. Can you see that the value of x is an even number, but the first number is supposed to be a what? Must be an odd number. That's why I said the first number will be an even number, but that is not the real number. So you have to add 1 to it. So going by our assumption, so the first number is x plus 1, and that is what? 20 plus 1, which is equal to what? 21. So the first odd number is now 21, not 20. Then the second number will be x plus 3, and that is 20 plus 3, and that will give us what? 23. And finally, the third number will be x plus 5, that is 20 plus 5, and that will give us what? 25. So the numbers are 21, 23, 25. So if you add these 3 odd numbers together, you will get what? 69. Please like and share this video. Thank you. Bye.